Inside the glove box here, we've got this little removable panel at the back. We can turn the two little tabs, one either side, and then that section comes out, revealing there's a fuse box location diagram there. You can see there at the back we've got a fuse box. There's a little pin there at the bottom, you can push that through, pull the pin all the way out like that, and then TX20 on that side. And then we pull this forward. Just pop that light out of there as well, and we can pop that connector out and then get rid of that for a minute. Take this glove box right out. It's got 6 screws, little T20 torque bits around the outside, one down the side there and one this on the right hand side just in there. We do need to take the cup holders out to get this out, so we need to just pop a little screwdriver behind that trim, pull that off. It's only on a couple of push clips. 2 screws in each of the cup holders. We'll whiz those out, and then they just pull out as well. I will be doing a cup holder repair video at some point. This one on the right's a bit sticky. There you go, it's out. And then you push the 2 sides in and that will drop down, and now we can pull the whole thing out. It's got a couple of connector plugs on it, one at the side that doesn't do anything and one for the light.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.